In this video, we're going to take a tour of this nice centrally located home in Tucson, Arizona. And I am your host, Steve Dooley. Let's go have a look at this property. As we walk in here, just a little heads up, this property is a 3-bedroom, listed as a 2-bath, but it's actually a 1.5, and we'll show you that. But really nice property, kind of a smaller home. Would make a great starter home, centrally located again near U of A, downtown, etc. And as we go through here, we'll give you some of the key features. So this house is again 3.2 and was built in 1949. It is 1,188 square feet and got a nice floor plan, and they have done a whole lot of renovation, and they did a really good job on this property. As you can see here, it opens up into a nice great room here, and then the kitchen and stuff's over there. It does have a split floor plan, which is really cool. Great for families, you know, parents with the kids, and they want to keep them a little bit separate. So, you know, over here to the right, we're going to have our first 2 bedrooms. You got like a utility closet here and a guest bedroom with new carpet. And you can see these windows are a little bit older. This is kind of the style of older windows here in Tucson. And that's that there. And as we go into the next room, we're going to come across to the guest bathroom. But let's go into the room here first. And again, it's a similar size in nature. You know, pretty good sized bedrooms for the square footage of this home. And we have our guest bathroom all fully updated. They left the shower curtain on the floor, but that's okay. Nice new vanity, sink, and all that. And then heading back into the great room, and we'll wrap around to the kitchen. That goes to the outside into the other bedroom, but this is a kind of a galley style kitchen here. And I'm kind of standing right in the dining area. You can see they have a light hung there for like a dining room table or something. But yeah, nice cabinets, all fully updated, new countertops, the whole 9 yards here. Like I said, they totally redid this one. Nice gas stove. And this is kind of an extra room. This was probably originally outside, I imagine. A lot of these have done enclosures of the porch. It's kind of what it looks like. And it kind of gives it away here because this was like a window. So this may have been an addition. It's hard to tell, but that would be something we could look up. And then that comes into the 3rd bedroom right here. And this is I don't know if I would call it a master bedroom, but it's the 3rd room, but it does have the bathroom attached, so that's the deal. But this one is only a half, as you can see there. It's a smaller half bathroom, but it's right attached to the all right. Let's head out back. You got French doors leading into a nice big backyard, which is pretty cool. Full covered patio. You got pavers there. You can tell that somebody actually put a lot of work. These are like metal. That's like metal sheeting underneath the porch. And they have a gutter system as well. It's those little small details you can tell that somebody actually took care of this place. Pretty good sized lot, 0.18 acres. And then something really common, and again, this one was built in 1949. Something real common to this era was having the laundry like outside, but they have actually put it into like a utility room. So it's outside, but it's not like outside in the weather. So it is right out here right off the porch. And then they also have, on this particular home, they have built a huge carport area, which is pretty cool. And then it's actually 3 full cars. And it does have a side gate there, so you can access that from the street, which is really neat. So you could definitely store like boats or something back here, toys, and it has also a big storage closet, and that kind of runs the full length down there. But you can see a shot of the roof. AC units up there, and you got a shingle roof. And then as we wrap around the other side, you got a gate and then wall here. You got the neighbors next door there, but you can see that's out, back out to the street. And that's pretty much it. You know, if you haven't already done so, please like this video, subscribe to our channel so you can check out all the Tucson homes available all the time. And I also forgot to mention, they are asking $290,000 for this property. So $290,000 in our current market is really a good price for something like this. It's a good value. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. My contact information is in the description. You can book a call with me, head to my website, check out some more homes or whatever. Happy to help. Always here for you. Talk to you soon. It's Steve Dooley.